This is Activity 1.4 on page 20, Revising and Entering Table Data. We have Cabin Rentals 1 open. No database objects are open in our document pane. You have a few housekeeping tasks to perform in the contractors table. You will delete the entry for a contractor named Miguel Carrier. You will change the phone number for Artie's Millworks, and you will add a new record for Ted Birch Construction. So number 1, delete a record. In the navigation pane, we're going to double-click Table Contractors. And this opens up our table listing of all the contractors who service our cabins. Examine the Miguel Carrier remodeling record at the bottom of the data sheet. Most of the fields for this record are empty. Someone in the cabin rentals office started creating this record but didn't complete it. It's not useful to keep this partially completed record, so you'll delete it. On the left side of the Miguel Carrier remodeling row, select the row selector to highlight the entire row or record. So that's this box right here. You can see when I hover over this gray box for that row and click on it, it will highlight the whole entire thing. Then we're going to go up to the Home tab of our ribbon. And in the Records command group, we're going to select Delete. You'll get a prompt. You are about to delete one record. If you click Yes, you won't be able to undo this delete operation. Are you sure you want to delete these records? The delete operation is not reversible, which is why Access takes extra caution to have you confirm the deletion. We're going to click Yes from here. And observe that the Miguel Carrier remodeling record has been deleted. In the upper left corner of the Access application window, observe that the Undo button is dimmed. Because Access doesn't support using Undo to reverse a record deletion, the Undo button is not enabled. Okay, so again, once you delete that, it's gone for good. Number 2, change the phone number for Artie's Millworks. In the top row of the data sheet, we're going to select the phone number in the contractor phone number column. So that's CN phone, and this is going to be for Artie's Millworks, which is our first one. So if we click into this, the current value entered in this location is 845-122-9493. The value is highlighted with a text selection or insertion point where you clicked. We're going to hit F2, and it's going to highlight the whole entire number for us. If your F2 key doesn't work, you can just click and drag to highlight all the numbers there. This is faster than trying to drag to highlight all the text in the field. In some cases, text will extend beyond the width of the field, making it even harder to highlight the text using a mouse. We're going to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. As you type, the value is automatically formatted as a phone number, since this field is configured to automatically format telephone numbers. On the left side of the row, we're going to select the pencil icon, which is located here. And you can see Access commits the change. So it saves that change for us. Number 3, add a new record to the Table Contractors table. At the bottom of the Table Contractors table, observe the record with an asterisk in the left column. So that's this here. Think of this row as being the last record plus 1. It is a new blank record that provides a ready means to add a new record. We're going to click in the contractor company name field of the asterisk row. So that's right here. And this selects the field for data entry, and we're going to type Ted Birch Construction. And press enter. The selection advances to the next field and a contractor ID value is automatically generated for the record. The pencil button indicates you're still editing the record and it has not yet been saved. So in the table in step letter D, we're going to enter the following values, pressing enter after each value to fill in the rest of our new record. So our web page is going to be https:// www.birch.com. Then we're going to press enter to move over to the last name field, which is Birch. Enter again, and we have Ted. The email, ted@birch.com. Phone number 800-555-1212. Enter again, and we have 16 Betula Lane. Enter again for Wurtsboro. Enter again, and for the state is New York. The zip code 12721. Enter again, and for the country is USA, and enter. When you type digits in the phone field, the parentheses and dash are automatically added for the phone number. And with the notes field still selected, we're going to press enter 2 more times, and this advances us past the 2 remaining fields without entering a new value. Number 4, clean up your Access workspace and close the database. We're going to right-click on our table contractors, and we're going to select Close from here. And in the upper right corner of our Access application window, we're going to select the Close box to exit the application. So this X here, we're going to close out. The application is exited, and you are not prompted to save your work because when you enter and update records in a table, your work is actually automatically saved for you. So number 5, verify your data entry tasks were automatically saved. I can double click to open up Access. And in my recent pane to the left here, it shows Cabin Rentals 1, and I can click on that to launch it. And if I was to open up that table contractors, you can see contractor ID 13, Ted Birch Construction, has been saved there. All right, so I'm going to close out this tab, and I'm going to leave this database open for our next activity.